You saw how our delta completely changed the way we work here, but here's the big question. Can we take it even further and be, hopefully, completely self-sustainable? Look at that. This is what is gonna bring it all the way home. Sharka, what are you doing? Her claw got stuck. In our previous episode, you saw us finishing this, and now we still have this one. And whoa, this one looks amazing, by the way. And then these two left. So our first mission is to find proper stones to fill those gaps, and it's so hot outside that we're so lazy to do it, but let's go. Here's Pau already on the assignment.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Should we chip this one? Because this could be the face. It's not so deep.
We could chip this away and then have a little face here, but let's see. We'll leave that one for later. And this one looks actually very promising.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
okay.
Yes.
That stone is amazing. It has a nice face, you can see here.
Yes.
And it also has the one at depth. So we need approximately 20 centimeters. That's how much we have between the edge of the stones and our rafter inside. So this is exactly on point. Cool.
Picking up with technique.
Yeah, keep your back straight, kids.
Mm-hmm.
You already collected 4 rocks. This is serious business. Here's another one. So these are the ones, many of these are the ones that we actually took when we did our doors. So all the stones that we removed. And it has a very nice face here. We're gonna have to chisel it just a bit. And then our required depth. Very nice.
Landed straight on the cable. Awesome. Alright, just after a few minutes, we collected 12 rocks, so we can start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yeah.
Let's start.
Let's go.
Prisilno ga njoj na slipo oči. Ono slipi dale.
Sleeping in a wheelbarrow. And our mortar is still there. Now actually it got hard. Our stone's still there. 2 hours after we collected them. And this is not done. We're really lazy today. Our Frano read us his poem, which was very, very, very good. 25 pages. And look how Sharka is following Frano. He's her first human. Ajde, vidimo se. We got not only one, but 2 of these, wait, let me show you. 2 of these 400 watt solar panels, which according to my math accounts to, well, 400 watts per hour times 2 is 800. And if we have an 8-hour sunny day, as we usually do here in Dalmatia, we can get maybe 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight, which means 4 kilowatt of charge during the day. Our power bank, together with additional batteries, 4.2, and it's already been proven that it can run us literally for days, which means in a best case scenario, we can literally power a whole renovation. Honestly, that will be completely bonkers. And I don't know, I know a lot of you are skeptical. Yeah, honestly, us as well. So let's put this to test and see how much actually we can charge. And by the way, when you think of solar panels, we usually think of something big, you know, clumsy that needs to be fixed to the roof and it's permanently there. But this basically comes, you know, all in one package. It weighs only 10.2 kilos and look, you even have a little handle and that's the whole story. So yeah, that's basically the whole setup. Pretty easy. I did it myself in what, 1 minute. So it's basically all in one, extremely light. You have these 1, 2, 3 stands there, legs, and they're basically self-supporting. Now we just need to connect them to our Delta using a single cable, and that's it, ready to charge. A few minutes later, I actually decided to put both. So we have that one there, which is standing on its support, and then this one I just laid here on the stairs. Here we have cable, we're just gonna 3 meters, 3.5, and then you see that I'm already running that cable here. This one I'll also just pop in here. We have our Delta nicely tucked in here in the shade. One cable is already connected, then we have the other cable, and that's it. Our Delta is charging, and our input, you can see here, 600 watts, which means if our Delta together with the additional battery is 4.2 kilowatts, it will take about 7 hours of ideal conditions and sun as it is now to charge this. And you can see immediately now, I don't know if you noticed that it's getting darker. Basically now the sun is a bit hidden behind the cloud, and it dropped down to, yeah, it's still dropping to around, you can see 200. But yeah, I think average with this kind of sunny day, bit of clouds, we could charge both batteries literally in like 8 hours. So yeah, for all the non-believers, well, including myself, because this really honestly sounds perfect, we're gonna set the GoPro here. And remember, we're on 27%, and we'll leave the camera while I work there for a few hours, and let's see how much we'll end up with. And there you go, here's our result. So we started at 2, now it's almost 7, and we started with 25% of battery. Now we have 97, which means it charged 72% in a bit less than 5 hours. The sun is almost about to set in about an hour, but it's still charging, as you can see, around 300 watts. And by the way, you can see these inputs. I was basically charging my GoPro for the whole time, so I can do this time lapse. And somewhere halfway, I started charging my phone.
While Paul dreamed among fluffy clouds, twinkling stars, and faithful teddy bears, and the solar panels quietly gathered golden sunshine, Gabriel forgot to record his progress on the stonework. So for now, enjoy this peaceful little pause in our tale. And when a new day dawns, the story shall continue tomorrow.
While the panels were charging Delta, this is what I did. So I laid this side, glued these stones over our concrete ring beam, and then basically the only side that's left is here, and then we need to cover up as well to the USB. And you can see this one is almost done, the corner and the little pieces up, but yeah, now you can see exactly what it'll look like. So here a little piece left, but already looking quite neat. Stones all the way up to the USB, and well, this side really turned out the best. And this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. The rafters basically exiting out of the stone or entering, depending how you look at it. So here we still need to put a little stone, but yeah, you get the picture. And that's actually our last project for this season, but well, let's sit together and we'll explain you. Okay, so we have Pau here and we got pretty comfortable on our little stairs, so we can tell you what's up for the next 3 months.
As some of you already know, there is a construction ban here in the coast of Croatia. That means that for the next 3 months, so summer, we cannot work. No. Ay, carajo. I lost my train. I lost my train of thoughts. So yeah, as I was saying, there is a construction ban here in summer.
There indeed is.
Exactly. So we won't be able to continue working. And yeah, no, that means you will see us again in September. But don't worry, because you can always rewatch our videos.
And we'll definitely be in touch. We'll post any updates if we do any little project. It's really exciting because in September, after the break, we're actually entering the most exciting and visually rewarding part of our renovation. So we're going to be finishing the little house, which means doing the floor with that special insulation we brought all the way from Switzerland.
Plumbing, electricity.
Exactly.
And the most exciting of it all is to start the renovation of the bigger house.
We're extremely excited for that. Now that we gained some experience on the little house, we just need to repeat it. Maybe not 100% because there were also some mistakes. But yeah, we need to generally... The fly. Confused
No,
Paul.
it's not fly, it's a huge thing.
Yeah, it's already summer, so there's a lot of bugs flying around and Pau gets afraid as if airplane landed
It's not
on her
afraid, I
head.
just don't want it near my face.
But yeah, we're extremely excited for the big house because that's the real gist of this project. And there are some very exciting parts of the project there. Like we'll be doing our own stone jacuzzi, stone oven, floating stairs, the whole interiors, wooden floor. There's really a lot to come. I think we might do one video per month for the next, well, it's not full 3 months, 2.5 months of break. We might show you a bit more detailed part of our vision for the house, virtual tour, which some of you actually requested. Stay tuned and...
We will miss you guys.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for all your support, as always.
Thank you very much and see you soon.
Bye.